Welcome to this channel. Tired of forgetting transfers, for example, to pay your rent, your gym membership, etc.? Monzo makes it easy to automate sending money, called a standing order. So today, you will know exactly how to schedule a recurring payment on the Monzo Bank app to pay someone or a business promptly. Let's begin. First thing, open up your Monzo Bank app and log in.
Now, look at the bottom of the app screen and tap the Payments. This is the section to transfer money.
Inside here, select Pay Someone. This is where the magic happens.
Now, you'll see two paths. If you've paid this person before, just find their name from the suggested list or search for them at the top. But if this is a new recipient, tap Pay Someone New at the bottom. You'll need to add their details. Choose whether they are a person or a business. Enter their name, sort code, and account number. Throw in a reference if you want to keep your records tidy. Then tap Add Account Details.
For this demonstration, I'm going to select one of my saved beneficiaries to keep things quick. Now, enter the amount you want to send. If you have multiple accounts with Monzo, like a joint account or flex account, make sure you select the correct funding account right here. Here is the game changer. Instead of hitting Review Payment to send the money now, tap the Schedule button at the top. A calendar will open. Select the exact date you want the money to leave your account.
Now, let's talk about frequency, named Repeats. By default, it's set to Doesn't Repeat, but you can change that. You can choose every day, every week, every 2 weeks, every 4 weeks, monthly, which I'll select for this guide, or even quarterly and yearly, perfect for annual insurance bills. Next, you'll see Stops Repeating. By default, it's set to Never, meaning this payment will run forever, as long as you have the funds. If this is a fixed term agreement, like a 12-month car loan, tap On a Date and select your final payment day on the calendar. When everything looks perfect, tap Done in the top corner. Now, tap the Review Payment button. It will display all the details of your scheduled payments, which include amount, from account and to account, when to send it, repeats, and stops repeating. If satisfied, tap Schedule Payment. It will prompt you to enter your PIN or biometrics to authenticate the transactions. And just like that, you've set up an automatic payment. Monzo will now handle the heavy lifting and send that money based on the schedule you just created. From experience, Monzo sends the money for you within the first 2 hours of the scheduled day. That is it! Next, pro tips for your scheduled payments. First, ensure your Monzo account has enough balance before the scheduled date. Otherwise, the transfer will fail due to insufficient funds. Second, use the reference field for bills, so you don't have to wonder where the money went when you check your history. And finally, if your payments change, don't stress. You can always edit or cancel a scheduled payment by going back to the Payments section and selecting Scheduled Payments.
So, that's how to create a standing order on the Monzo Bank app and pay someone automatically. If this saved you a headache, like and subscribe for more banking and finance hacks. See you in the next video.